Did you?
Okay, just a second.
Oh my, this looks like a nice box.
Boy, Santa got this in here good. Okay, just
Me.
a second.
Me.
For you, that's right.
That's for you.
Me.
Okay, Pax. All right, can you get the box open?
Pax
Let
knows
Pax
all
do
about
it.
What's in there, Pax?
A safe food. A safe food.
Oh!
What you got, Pax?
A safe food. Just like you did.
Pax?
And I hope it will get what?
He's got to go shredding. He's out of there.
Oh my goodness, Pax.
There you go.
You gotta look at us here.
Said, Nana, I got to skate.
Yeah.
You want to take the plastic off of there?
Try it on the
He hasn't
carpet,
got
son. You flip.
You flip. He's working on his ollies. Your helmet on. Good idea.
Oh.
Alrighty, go slowly, son.
Okay. Let's see you try it.
My dead boy.
Yeah, let's see you try it.
Can I help you? Yeah,
Put your feet over top of the wheels, buddy.
right here. One there. And one there. Like that.
Away you go.
And this is pretty slick surface.
Yay! Can we turn? Ready? Here we go. Yay! Going to work? Okay.
All right,
Try
see you
going to
later.
work on the carpet, buddy.